Costco could make billions more dollars by changing just one number, but for nearly 40 years they have refused to touch it. A hot dog and a drink, $1.50. And the reason behind this price might be the smartest business move in retail. The $1.50 combo first appeared in 1985. At the time, Costco wanted to give members something simple, affordable, and consistent. Over the decades, everything around it changed. Operation cost increased and supply cost went up, but the price on these items never moved. From a traditional business view, this decision makes no sense at all. Each combo cost Costco more than it earns. Preparation, staffing, and equipment all add up over time. So the obvious question is, why not raise the price? At one point, company leaders discussed increasing the price, but the founder strongly opposed the idea. The message was clear: this item was never meant to maximize profit. It represented something much bigger. The $1.50 combo is a classic example of a loss leader, a product sold at a loss to attract customers. Affordable food builds trust. Trust brings people into the stores, and once they are inside, they buy groceries, electronics, and household items. The profit is not in the combo, it's in everything else. There is another reason this price matters. It sends a powerful message: we won't squeeze you. Customer feel respected, and that feeling leads to something incredibly valuable: membership renewals. That's where Costco earns billions each year. To protect this price, Costco even took more control over how the combo is produced, all to make sure that $1.50 promise stays alive. In a world where prices constantly rise, Costco chose consistency over quick profit. And that decisions helped build one of the most trusted brands on the planet. If you enjoy real business stories like this, subscribe, because the smartest companies don't just sell products, they sell trust.